Hey everybody, welcome to Character Modeling. Welcome to week 8 at the end of it. Really excited to have you all here. Great news. Finished our grades up to date. Also finished up the makeup, all the grades from previous assignments, so I apologize for that. For some reason, Blackboard doesn't really tell me about those. So right off the bat, so it always says completed, and then it's a feedback point I gave to the PSC. Other than that, everything should be updated. So if you're missing anything or need to catch up on some things, just let me know. My feedback's there, so go ahead and keep pushing. I'll help you out throughout this and make sure you get through, no problem. Other than that, that's all I got. I really just want to let you know that you have your discussions due tonight uh, for your reply post. If you haven't turned in an initial post, please do that. That way you can at least get some points for that. Also, you do have your course projects due to Sunday. You have your texturing finished this week, and then you're going to start rigging the model, so that's going to be really cool. I'd like to see 50% done with the rigging and then finish texturing your models would be really awesome. Other than that, that's all I got pretty much. We just have week 9 coming up and then just the last 3 weeks. We're coming toward the end, so please make sure to get in contact with me or talk with me if you're missing some assignments or if you really want to push for that last push, because right now is the end. It's going to get really tight toward the end because we're going to get right into rigging, we're going to go right into skinning, and then right into animating and keyframing, and it's just going to be boom, boom, boom right after each other. So if you're a little bit behind or anything, please contact me immediately through course mail or through my email. That would be really great. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Just be safe, have fun, enjoy. You should see the announcements and everything for week 9 pop up on Monday, and have a great week. Really should be good. Other than that, just go ahead and work on your projects. That's all I want you to really focus on this week. All right. Other than that, that's it. See you all on Monday. Have a good one.